Hello everyone. Okay, first I will introduce this small machine. This small machine, we are now on promotion only around $2,000, USD dollars. So it's very cheap and small. And this one is used for spraying polyurethane foam on roof and wall for insulation use. Now let's focus on this machine. You see, this is the switch for start and reset. This is for power on and off. These control panels is very easy to use. You see, this is a power light. If the power is on, the light will be on. And this is for the ISO button for heating. Press for ISO, press for heating hose, press for the polio. Then it will start to heat. You can set the temperature here. It shows the temperature you set here. It will shows. And like you set all temperature for at 40 Celsius degree, it may show only 35 here. It's normal, don't worry about this. And after setting, you need to wait for 10 minutes, around 10 minutes or 30 minutes, because it depends on local temperature. Wait for the temperature to rise. After the temperature rise to the one you need it, then you can start to inject the material onto the wall, roof. Can see this is the injection nozzle. You have to clean this nozzle inside very frequently, otherwise it will be blocked. We have the cleaning video on our YouTube, so you can search our YouTube and so cleaning this spray gun. It's very easy to operate, and this gun is it's not very so heavy. It's very easily to operate. Okay, this is our small spraying machine for polyurethane.